Do you want to choose where your iPhone records audio from? Like switching between your mic, AirPods, or an external microphone? Here's how to change the audio input source on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now tap on Input. This is where you can control your audio input source. You'll see different options like your iPhone microphone, AirPods, or any connected external mic. By default, it's set to automatic, which lets your iPhone decides the best input. To manually switch, just select the input device you want to use. Once selected, your iPhone will start using that device for audio input across apps like voice memos and recordings. You can also change it quickly from Control Center on newer iOS versions. Swipe down to open it. Tap on the audio controls at the top. Then choose Input and select your device. And that's it. You've now changed the audio input source on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.